Right? Fox and Friends in the morning, CNN with Don Lemon. Like, I'm going to be out there, right? Magazines, things of that nature. So, you know, Tuesday night I'll be on CNN, right? So I'll be with Don Lemon, and I mean, what are we going to talk about? We're going to talk about politics. I'm going to fucking dance.
I think it's the next day, the day after, Don Lemon has him on for the most classic Trump interview in human history. Lemon's sitting there hammering him. You got to show us.
It'd be amazing. I'm usually channeling my best Don Lemon self, but I didn't ask a good question. What stuck out to you most?
Don Lemon talking about this idea. Sir, if you will.
And mass media journalists and celebrities like Chris Rock, Don Lemon, Charles Barkley. Don't forget Barack Obama. He is the president.
Republicans deciding to pass it. Don Lemon just doing his thing.
I mean, when you say the skinny repeal, it makes it sound like a diet plan.
Well,
they want to drop the weight of this bill.
How's it going? Alleged journalist Don Lemon, everybody.